Blue.
Okay, just hold it still. You hold still. Make sure you can see it. You move it so you can see it.
Okay, I can see it fine.
This is one chillin' bird. Can you see it in the camera? Hold it still. He is totally relaxed. Don't put your hand in the way, honey. This bird is so chillin'. Getting a little birdie massage. Does that feel good, Blue? Keep it on, honey. No. Don't get it too close because you won't be able to see it. It'll come up fuzzy if you're too close. She suddenly realized the camera was there. Look at that bird.
Oh.
Not so close. Birdie heaven. It's so happy. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. No, leave it on. I'll clip out the... That feels so good. Miss Blue. This is Blue the Lovebird. Just leave it on for a minute. Oh my gosh, look at that. He's holding still in one hand. That bird is completely relaxed. Oh my gosh. No, you can't try to pet her right now. No. In a minute. I'll put it out. Okay. I think she just yawned. Oh, nice stretch. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh no. You know, time for a little shave. A little under the chin shave. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, just hold still. Keep it in the middle of the screen. Thank you. Charlie. The mailman. Look, the bird doesn't even care. She's so, relaxed. Charlie, quiet. Yeah, you bark at him. You tell him, Lou. You tell him. You tell him. Hi, Chad. Whoop. Almost. You done? Woo!